What is up YouTube? Welcome back. It's your buddy Technoboy, and you can see that's a LG 2.1 home theater, LK72be, I guess, and that's the 2 channel of it. That's the main unit, and these are the Edifier R1280db. Those are amazing. What to say? The sound, the bass, everything. So today I'm gonna do the sound test comparison between these two, and gonna see which one sounds better. And you can see that's a little bit more than 3-inch woofer for the channel, I guess, and that's a 4-inch woofer, the main unit driver, mid-bass driver, and that's a 5-inch subwoofer. So there's a huge difference between these two. So let's start the sound test. I'm going to start with this one. You can see that's turned on and connected to my mobile. So, and that one's control is on the right side, and the LED also, so you cannot see that. So when this light is on, so that means the LG is working, and when this light is off, and that means these two, the Edifier, are working. So let's start with this one, the LG. It's already connected, and I'm gonna play 4 songs. Let's start with this one.
I wanna know who you are. Is what I need to know. So take my hand and let our fears go. Take me to your jungle where the rain is warm and the third sky. Take me to your kingdom. Yeah, take me to the. Yeah, take me to the. Take me to your jungle where the rain is warm and the third sky. Take me to your kingdom. Yeah, take me to the. I wanna know who you are. Is what I need to know. So take my hand and let our fears go. Take me to your jungle where the rain is warm and the third sky. Take me to your kingdom. Yeah, take me to the. Yeah, take me to the. Take me to your jungle where the rain is warm and the third sky. Take me to your kingdom. Yeah, take me to the jungle. need you to like me, don't need you to like me, don't need you to like me. Say I'm not, but I don't need you to like me, don't need you to like me.